And he's starting to tell. Where we go? Woo! A little bit of wheel spin there. Going. All right, we're coming off the docks in the middle, right circle. All right. All right, 1, 2, 3. Get forward with Z, Mike, and Bob. Nose to tail, just hanging back a few car lengths. Had a big run down the street on that time. Now on the circle, 1, 2, 3. Nice. He's got the fast lap at 10:59. Careful with the chicane, careful with the chicane. You don't want to upside down with the chicane, careful with the chicane. Very clear. Little tap, Craig. He got two top, and he taps it right back to give the Todd a big lead. Really a full straightaway. Up 2/3 of it. A little tap through there gives up about 3.5 tenths to Craig that lap. He taps it back to him a little bit. 11-1, 11-2, 10-9. Top 3 separated by 1.7 right now. Top 3, Kenny, BJ, Bob, Mike. Nine, 10-9, 10-9. 10-7, 10-8. 4 tenths. In the leaders right now. Maybe exploding quickly here. Woo, man. 2 tenths to gap. And with a 10-9 behind him. And with the tap, there's a Kenny in the rearview mirror now, top with again, barely a straightaway advantage. With 2:50 to go. Good shit smooth there. And tap brings the gap. Let's see if he pulls back on top. 3 tenths quicker that lap. And pull Kenny with him. Oh, taps again. Kenny runs tail. Lead back up to 1.4. 2:20 left to go. All right, through the circle. Look at the line here, 2 to go. 11-0, 10-7, 11-1, 6.5 tenths to gap. And it's holding quickly once again. And he follows Craig and catches a piece of it. It's going to be a 2.5 back now. And race for the lead with 1:35 left to go. 11-0 to 10-9. 11-1 that time. 1:20 left to go. Woo! He gets the gap in the line. Coming up on 1 to go. And third about straight away back. 0.29 between them at the line with a minute to go. Oh, Craig pulls a lot around the circle. They get together. Marshall, here comes Kenny. Oh, Kenny's going to get that top spot with 45 seconds left to go. .35 at the line, the gap 4/10. Oh, Kenny taps it to Craig, but he's right on the bumper. 25 seconds. Yep, gaps away and then a tap. 15 seconds left to go. They get around for one more. Final lap here. There we go. That's it. Everybody's in. Greg, Kenny with 33, Todd 32, 31 for PG, 31 for Bob, 30 for Mike, and Z over there. All right, thanks guys. Same time next week. Winter Series next Saturday.